Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. In this session, we are going to see helper functions. As part of helper functions, we are going to see mouse XY, mouse X and mouse Y. Basically, it gets you a coordinate of a current mouse position and you can able to perform some actions or based on the coordinates, runtime dynamic coordinates. You can retrieve the coordinates and based on that you can perform some action like clicking, hovering, double clicking, any of those actions. So this is very useful and it is very helpful when we are trying to do in a live mode or a real-time mode where the mouse cursor is or trying to do any kind of a visual automation. So let's look into an example and see how it works. Welcome back. Let's see an example for mouse XY. Let's launch our Notepad++. I've already opened mousexy.tag file, which we can use it for our example. Tag UI and helper functions and example of mouse XY, mouse X. So XY gives you X and Y coordinate, gives you only X coordinate, and mouse Y will give you Y coordinate underscore Y. So let's see an example and try to see how we can able to retrieve the correct mouse X and Y position. So let's say we'll take the same example like which we have been using it, which is bankrate.com. Say let's launch the website and let's say https://bankrate.com and time out, let's say 5 seconds. And once it's launched, let's just echo mouse XY coordinate and coordinate, and let's just save it. So what we're going to do is we're going to launch our Chrome browser and we're going to navigate to our website, which is in this case bankrate.com, and we'll try to get the coordinate for this. In the past examples, when we were doing visual automation or any kind of a mouse related dragging, hovering kind of examples, we have used mpause as a tool. We will come back and use the same tool, but having at this particular point of time, if you want to know what is the coordinate over here from a mouse standpoint, so that you can able to perform a click on this coordinate, to perform a click on a credit cards, we need to find out coordinate of it. So which you can do it by using this example. So I'll show you that how it can be, how you can able to find it. So let's just close this and let's run this script or run this code. So to find out which X and which Y position we need to perform click. Okay, so let's launch our command prompt. In search, say command prompt, navigate to a location where your script is stored. So I'm going to just move it in the corner so that we can have a better view. We can see both logs and operations and logs. So say tag UI and say mouse XY dot tag. So it's launching. Browser is launched. Now it's going to go and navigate to bankrate.com. Let's wait for that. So to navigate to bankrate.com, let's go here and let's wait for the whole page to load. And let's just keep our mouse here and it will give us the coordinate of this coordinate. So we can use that coordinate for our future validations. So let's wait for the whole thing to complete. So now you got the coordinate value as 481, 108. So what we can do is now we can just say, hey, you can say click. We can say click based on the coordinate which we got, which is 481, 481, 108. And let's say save this. So now in this case we got the coordinate of our location where we want to keep. So mouse X and Y basically provided us the coordinate which is over here, and which we can use it for our clicking purposes. That's how we identified it. Now we updated the script to basically click on this location. So this is very helpful when we want to perform some click from specific coordinate to specific coordinate. We can perform click. So let's execute this and see whether it is able to click on that coordinate or not. Exactly. Let's run again. So let's save this and run again. I didn't give a space, so it was a problem. Let's enter. Navigating to bankrate.com. So completely loaded. Let's going to go and click on the location where we previously got X and Y coordinate. Now it is clicking at this location, and now you can see credit card link being clicked. So you can use this method to perform. So let's say as I have it, which gave you X and Y value. If you can just say in this particular case, if you echo mouse X value and you say mouse X equal to, you should get 481, and echo mouse Y equal to mouse Y. So you should see 108 as a value. Let's just save this and see how it works. So let's run again. So Chrome browser is being launched, navigating to the bankrate.com. Page is being loaded. It's clicking credit card link or the coordinate 481108, and it's also printing your X and Y coordinate value. It finishes. So if you can see here, the coordinate over here is being clicked in this case. And then when you say mouse XY, it shows the XY coordinate, which is over here. And if you really want to have a X value and Y value, you can get X and Y value and then perform operations based on that. In general, mouse XY returns you an X and Y coordinate of your mouse pointer, and mouse X will give you X coordinate of a mouse pointer, and Y give you Y coordinate of a mouse pointer. So this concludes mouse XY, mouse X, and mouse Y example. Thanks for watching. See you in another one.